Hi guys, guess what I got? And I think I'm special. And if you notice the same hair and makeup and clothes, it's because I'm nasty and didn't change. No, I'm doing a couple videos at once because I've had these sitting here and I haven't done shit. We got ice cream. Woo woo! I love this box. And the lady owner, I can't remember her name, but she's so damn nice. And this is a little card. I'm just making these kind of short videos right now. The first thing they got, and I was so happily. Oh, I got the Ace Beauty Quintessential Palette. I do already have this, so let's see if I can take it out without jacking some shit up. You know, I'm a shit jacker. Jack shitter. Whatever. You know, Ace Beauty, Ace Butte, whatever you want to call it. They really have some awesome stuff. And she looks like this, and it's beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it just because I already have it, even though it's so hard and I just want to dig my fingers in it. I think this would have been really great in the fall, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad because I have it and it's well loved. So, I've got to figure out what to do with this mama. It's a big mama. I didn't say it's $40. These freeloading cats behind me keep arguing. Oh my God, it's like having a bunch of little freeloading kids around. I know I'm a crabby old bitch in my own age. Okay, next we have Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder. This is $30. Now, it's still sealed. I don't really use a lot of setting powder because I'm old. But I know, did I have this in a box? Oh, good Lord, I don't know. But I'm hoping to pass it on to someone special. Now we have Mirabella. Get it together, bitch. This is Wing Liner Stamp Kit, $20. And I don't think I've even opened this. I know I usually try out everything. And I haven't. But, you know, maybe I'll give this another shot. Let's see what we get. Mother humper. It's not twisting. I really need to. Get it together. I'm so gross. You know y'all done this. I licked it, it's mine. A little, not too much. Oh, mother humper, the cap came off and I just stamped the hell out of my hand. Oh. Okay. So, here's the stamp part. Boom. There's my wingity. And then the liner is a felt tip. And there you go. I mean, it looks nice and dark. I need to get better because I don't really know how to use them. No lies. Next we have Galactic. And this is Rose Oil Petal Glass. $20. I actually love this. And I'm so glad because my other one went to the crapper. No, it didn't. I used it all. It's me. I'm the crapper. But this is the one that's got like the little rose petals in it. And it works so dang good. So good. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? fall, leaves fall. It's like a broken snow globe, but that's what she looks like. In this lip oil, and when you pull the shit up, like nothing comes up. Ugh. But the oil itself is so freaking good. For my little tiny dried out mouth. And the last thing we have is Be a Bombshell. Eye base for $14. I don't know really how to use it. Like, is it just like a eye primer? I don't know, but it's a beautiful teal color. So I'm kind of curious about this. There's no directions for people like me who don't know anything. But look at that color. I mean, I don't know. What you be, baby, because you're beautimous. Like, do you really put this on as a base, and what is it? What colors does it make? What colors does it make? Not what colors does it make. What magical things does it do? If anyone knows, let me know, because I don't know. I don't know nothing. But that's it. That is the Be the Bombshell from Ice Cream. Upside down ice cream, because I threw all the garbage in there. Boom. Ah, so cute. So cute. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. Hope you guys have a great day. And don't do anything I wouldn't do.